Dear students, the next question from 9th standard, work and energy chapter, NCERT example problem number 11.4. See the question. What is the work done? What is the work to be done to increase the velocity of the car from 30 km per hour to 60 km per hour? Okay. If the mass of the car is 1500 kg. Okay. Actually, in this question, what is given, what is asked? Okay. With the help of the diagram, I will explain now. So please listen. See that question number 11.4. Here the mass of the body is given. That is a car mass is given. That is a 1500 kg. Its initial velocity is given. I taken as u. That is 30 km per hour. Then after some times, this car is traveling with high velocity, that is considered as final velocity, that is v is equal to 60 km per hour. So in this situation, what is the work done asking? So work done by the car is asking. So here that work done means that is a change in kinetic energy. Change in kinetic energy means that is final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. So this only we are going to calculate in this question. So individually I am going to calculate individually what is the work done for initial situation, then what is the work done for final situation, and let's we subtract. Okay, so please listen. Before that, I'm going to calculate here that u value, it is in kilometer per hour, so I can convert it into meter per second. Okay, so first u value 30 kilometer per hour. This is converted into meter per second. So 30 into, so we can multiple with 5 by 18. It is converted into meter per second. Okay. So here we can say second table 15 time, here 9 time. So again third table 3 time, here 5 times. So 5 into 5 25, divide by 3. So here that 8 point something will come, so that value is, that is 8.33 meter per second. That means this initial velocity, it is equal to 8.33 meter per second. Okay, like that I can calculate the final velocity also. The final velocity, that initial velocity 30 km per hour, but final velocity is 60, so it is doubled. So directly I can calculate u value 8.33, so v value we can double value, so 6 point then 16 meter per second. So this is, I can write as 16, so this it is more than 5, so I can add 1 here. So I can write 16.7 meter per second. So this value in meter per second, we can write 6.7 meter per second. Okay, right. So now let's say calculate, that is the work done. So work done is nothing but that is final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Final kinetic energy is mv squared, initial kinetic energy of m u squared. So done is equal to, here the common value half m is common, so I can get outside, so half m is common, the remaining v squared minus u squared. Okay, so please listen. Therefore work done is equal to half into m value 1500, then v squared is 16.7 whole square minus u squared that is 8.33 whole square. Okay, right. So now I'm going to calculate next the work done equal to, here it's a 1 time, here 750, so 750, then here Okay, now I'm going to calculate in easy way. I will not take the square here. So in the trigonometry, sorry, in the algebra idea I'm going to use. So here, so please listen. So we know very well a squared minus b squared we can write as a plus b into a minus b. So like that. So you know very well here 2 digits are there. Here after the decimal 2 digits are there. So in the easy way I can write, actually this is 16.6666 is going, so I'll take here 2 digit. So 16.67. So here also I can write 16.67 whole square. So you know it is highly difficult, little difficult to square, here also square and subtract. So I can use this idea. So first a plus b. A plus b, how we can write? 16.67 plus 8.33. So this value, this is exactly is equal to, what is it? 0, remaining 1, 0. Then here 24 plus 1, 25. So here 25 will come. Okay, if it is add. Then if it is subtract, a minus b, we can write 16.67 minus 8.33. So here we can write it is a 4.3 here 8.34. So a plus b into a minus b. So finally I can multiply these two value. That is 25 into 8.34. So this multiplication value, that is equal to 208.5. So very easily simplified. Okay, so 16.67 whole square minus 8.33 whole square, that is equal to 208.5. So 208.5, very simple. So therefore work done is equal to, so this value 750 into 208.5, that is equal to 156,375 joule. That's all. So in the simple way we calculated the change in kinetic energy, that is work done. So it is important steps. So this way, this steps only it is help to solve in easy way. Okay students, I hope the how to calculate the work done with the different kinetic energies. Okay, right, thank you.